What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a brand new product review for you guys. It's going to be a Mastercraft welder kit. This kit comes with the welder itself, a helmet, and a welding cart. I picked it up, actually correction, my wife bought this for me for Christmas and I'm excited to get used to it. So I've never welded anything before, I've always wanted to learn and this is the perfect time to do it. Let's unbox this, set it up, and possibly try it out. Guys, as you can see, I have it fully unboxed. To the left is the welding cart. The brown box, I believe, is the helmet in there. And to the right is the welding machine. So I'm going to quickly unbox this and completely set it up. And then cut you guys on and give you my thoughts about what I feel about this welding machine. Welder is fully set up. As you can see, the cart is fully assembled. Very nice unit, like it. It's sturdy, no problem. It came with this other make-do helmet. I don't need that since I have this other unit over here. But this is good if you have a second person with you and they just want to stay protected. That's the screen, the handlebar, a hose if you're going to be using the MIG setup. I intend to weld with Flux Core, so that's not going to happen. And then a wire brush with a hammer, it calls it, so that's good. Over on the inside, the setup is quite easy. It has a detailed diagram telling you what to do. Follow it. You mount the wire spool in place. You route it in through this adjuster lever thing into the other little hole over there, feed it through the wire gun, and you're all set up. This comes from the factory setup for Flux Core welding, so if you intend to use MIG with the gas cylinder, you need to switch this around and set it up that way. But I intend to start out with Flux Core for now. Maybe I'll do MIG in the future. Right now, this is my current setup. The kit does provide you with a nice storage space for the helmet that comes with it, and your other welding accessories like a spool, the wire brush, and a second helmet tool thingy. I'm not sure what to call it, but it is good to have if you have someone else with you and you don't have a second helmet. They can use that to protect themselves. As you can see, I have this welding machine fully assembled, set away to the side. I did play around with it yesterday. Well, more like my bro helped me do it because I have zero experience using this stuff, but I hope to learn. So this is the only piece of metal that I had. We sanded or kind of wire wheeled the frame a little bit, and he just dropped some beads on here. Not the greatest, still needs to be fine-tuned, but it looks pretty good. Lots of splatter. But overall, I am impressed with this machine. I hope it's something I can grow into, use it to master the art of welding, and maybe in the future I can get something like a Lincoln or something like Miller's, whatever. But for now, this Mastercraft unit is more than okay for me. I hope to learn, like I said, because like I said, I've never welded anything before, so it is something very new to me. With that said, fine units. If you're looking to purchase it, try to get it on sale. I'm sure my wife did because she's learned a thing or two from me. And sometime in the future, I'm going to film a proper review on how this unit works. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, drop a comment below, tell me what you think about this Mastercraft unit. Are you going to buy it? Do you think it's worth it? I think it is. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.